Josan. Hey, chill KJ, chill KJ. You know what the F, with this booster? I mean, what the fuss with the booster? Kita takkan biadab terhadap menteri kita. Okay, it's what the fuss with all the booster? First, you say, oh, you don't do your booster, you will get a no vaccinated status by 1st March. Then you extend, when you didn't get the numbers. And we all actually expected it to be extended. You know why? Because Malaysia are famous for two things: U-turn and extension. Now, every time people are not favorable, the U-turn, and they say what? The answer is, oh, we listen to the rakyat. Then, when things cannot be achieved, immediately they extend. Why? We care for the rakyat. We know the answer already because it's in the SBM. Now, let me tell you why you shouldn't waste your time, make a promise that you cannot keep. Because we know there are people out there not vaccinated going to the mall, going to the restaurant, eating. Because a lot of people, most places cannot check everybody. Okay, there are so many ways to overcome the restriction because people, like in the mall, in the restaurants, in the outlets, they don't check. Okay, because they got tired of checking. So then now we said, oh, if they don't get vaccinated, they get COVID, our KKM also, the hospital work very hard, all those things. Hello, let me tell you this, the fact on the ground is, hospitals are sending positive patients back to us in the nursing homes, okay? In HCOP, all our members are getting there already. So we are used to it. So you are sending COVID back to us. Since your hospitals say, because we cannot take the volume anymore, So that is where we don't really get scared anymore. You know why? In HCOP, kita jaga kita. And we know why then we more extension. Because we have good role models in extension. You know why? We have an ex-prime minister who is convicted for whatever he was doing, sentenced already, and he's still walking around. Someone saying, apa salah bosku? Yeah. So KJ, chill. Okay. I know there is pandemic, but your hospital working very hard. I also understand your situation. But don't make a promise that you cannot keep. We are used to being threatened already by all this kind of thing. No, you don't do this, you get this, you don't do this. In Malaysia, we all have been practicing this for the last 20, 30 years. Okay? Bila kena saman di jalan, kita pasti kena saman. Jangan cepat bayar kompang, tunggu bila ada discount. See, even a song is written for that, So we wait and wait and wait. So don't waste your time on the booster thing, okay? You have done enough. They cannot travel when they have no booster. They cannot do many things. At the meantime, people in the ground are not monitoring. So chill. If people are not afraid to die, let them lah. Okay? And some more, what hospital are being busy? You are sending all the COVID patient back to us, what? So chill. Okay? Chill, KJ. I must say this, okay? Your hospital staff are sending back to us. We understand why in HCOP. Why? Because for 2 years they've been working hard in the hospital. People like Sungai Buloh, GH, all the GH lah, Putrajaya, everybody, Yang Sedang, the whole nation. They work very hard for 2 years already. Every day, wear mask, wear full PPE, this they cannot, that cannot, This scared, that scared, if worry about all this. They are tired also. We understand. That's why they send it back to us. We also understand, but in HCOP, we became very good at doing what we are doing, and we took them back most of the time. Why? Because we know we can manage. We learn how to manage. We progress. We take responsibility, and we help each other in HCOP. Okay. So, KJ, chill. Okay, you have our support. By far, for the last 10 years, you are the best health ministers we have. Okay, so you keep doing what you're doing, but don't make promises you cannot deliver. We know. Kita tunggu bila ada discount. Josan.